Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 Android keyboards. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Jelly Comb Folding Android Keyboard. Matte creates wonderful sense of touch. Keyboard is made of aircraft grade. Compatible with most modern devices. Great for vacations and travel. Users get pleasure from up to 48 hours of writing time with only one charge. This wireless mini Bluetooth keyboard permits users to instantly flip their tablet or phone. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Soon will cell phones keyboard. Folding design provides more convenience. Standard size keyboard improves typing efficiency and comfort. Portable ultra slim keyboard with a 0.51 inches slim body and a 5.53 ounces weight. Large capacity battery. PU leather keyboard. Multi-system compatible keyboard, 12-month hassle-free warranty. Best of 3. Pluggable Android Bluetooth keyboard. The full-size keyboard layout features crisp high-quality keys. You can connect the keyboard through Bluetooth or using the supplied USB cable. Extremely durable, with back and sides made with strong but lightweight aluminum. Comes with a soft yet strong case that protects the keyboard and anything else you'd throw in a bag with it. The battery charges quickly through USB and lasts for weeks of normal use. Best of 2. Ecos Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The keyboard is smaller than an iPhone 6 Plus. Perfect for travel or business trip, etc. This folding Bluetooth keyboard convenient and lightweight. The scissor switch technology makes sure that even the softest keystroke is enough, relieving 80 hours on a single charge. Reliable and friendly customer service. Best of 1. iClever Wireless Folding Keyboard. Delicate and elegant appearance, durable and lightweight. Maximum comfort with ergonomic design. Intelligent sleep and auto power off. Aircraft grade aluminum. Built-in Broadcom processor, broad compatibility. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.